Yeah, chilling in the corner on my bed, I'm asking God, please save me. Yeah, I'm asking God, don't take me, cause I'm closer to my dreams right now. Yeah, and I'm still popping shit right now. Mama Zala told me, put your head down, chin up. Niggas hating on the boy, Lone Mellow still up. I'm working 2 jobs. I'ma quit school and get the bag. I get sued by Brody stashing weed in 10K in a 2-box. He got a baby girl, he changed his life for his little one. Damn, money on my mind, I can't stop now. Yeah, working on my dreams till the sun up. And your bitch is calling me when the sun up.
Yeah, I guess I'm lit though.
Chilling in the corner on my bed, I'm asking God, please save me. Yeah, I'm asking God, don't take me, cause I'm closer to my dreams right now. Yeah, and I'm still popping shit right now. Mama Zala told me, put your head down, chin up. Niggas hating on the boy, Lone Mellow still up.
Yeah. Chilling at the corner of the Lala Lema Gozo man. If you think you tough, then in Chaka Batao Commander. You playing with sticks, man, I swear, Utro Kabate. If you want war, then Mataka Ute Kloko man. Ish, Bafana Yana Babatlo Kabate, it's Kloko man. Yeah. I'm doing what I can, I'm doing my best. Focused on the bag, but I take it step by step. Yeah, I take it step by step. Ain't no time to relax. Little pretty been the man, hustling for some bread. Okay, I was chilling with my mom in the house. I told her when I win, como kaya 50,000 for the pain and the trouble that I've brought in the house. Ish. Oh lady, go on tshwarel.
Bro, like from the song that I've already heard, I can see like I'm gonna like Mellow and Pretty King. Those boys are cooking for like Swabadi Baby's gonna be like that tape, like bro, that solidifies everything. Those boys are cooking for even like the work ethic, like everything, bro. Like the way these niggas been locked in, like intro is too much. It's actually inspiring. But yeah, man, just expect it like next month. And yeah, bro, shit's about